SpaceX joined the Nasdaq 100 today. Morgan Stanley set a $300 price target, the highest on Wall Street. Deutsche Bank initiated a buy at $255 this morning. The stock dropped 6.83% anyway, and is now trading near its 52-week low. We ran the FSR. Here's what the data shows. SpaceX is a $2 trillion company operating three very different businesses. Starlink, the satellite internet division, generated $11.4 billion in revenue with a 39% operating margin. That's the cash engine. The space launch division brought in $4 billion, but ran on an operating loss. The AI segment, Grok and X, generated $3.2 billion in revenue, but burned $6.35 billion in operating losses. Combined, the company lost $9.36 billion. The Nasdaq 100 inclusion today means an estimated $27 billion in passive fund buying is now forced into the stock. 1 month hourly data, the full trading history since the IPO. FSR scored 82%, rolling FSR at 95%. Price opened near 170 at the IPO, ran to a peak around 215, then declined steadily. The 1 month average sits at 168. Price is now at 149, below that average and near the low of 147.11. 82% FSR on a post-IPO decline is actually telling you something important. This hasn't been a chaotic sell-off. It's been a structured pattern move lower since the peak. 95% rolling FSR confirms it. The short windows have been consistently directional. The stock has been trending down with a discipline since hitting 215. Analyst average target is 188.57, well above today's price. Morgan Stanley says $300, but the stock is at 149 and falling on the day it joins the most watched index in the world. That gap between analyst optimism and market behavior is exactly what FSR is designed to surface. The structure says down, the analyst says up. The data doesn't pick sides, it just shows you the pattern. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.